and welcome to ZooBurst. ZooBurst is a neat and easy way to create 3D pop-up books. We can use this in any curriculum, but for today we're going to use it in our Family Dynamics class. All right, we learned about divorce and how different age children are affected by it and how they react to it and whatnot. So we're going to create our book today. So let's go here to New Book to create our book. All right, what would you like to name your book? I'm going to name it, I'm going to do a duck book, and I'm going to name them The Quacker Jack. The Quacker Jacks. All right, that's the Quacker Jack family. And this book is about divorce. What else could it be about? I'm going to do maybe early elementary age student. Okay. And who can see this book? I'd like everyone to see this book. Can others comment on this book? Yes. So I'm going to save my settings there. All right. Let's see. Now this is really neat. We're going to build our own book here. If we need instructions, they're right here if we forget. But otherwise, we're building our book. It's called The Quacker Jacks, as you can see here. If we would like to add a picture, we come right here and let's see. How about duck? Because it is the duck family. Let's see. No. What did I do wrong? Ah, here's the ducks. All right, so here, look at this. This is the duck family, the Quacker Jacks. So we're going to use them. And you see, you just click on it and it pops right into the book. All right, so we can add pictures to our book. If we're not happy with the pictures that come up there, we can search other pictures. Let's see, what else would we like to do? Background. You see this button here for the background? If you watch here, it changes the background. So the background, I can even change it, change the background. So let's look for, how about some trees? Ah, there we go. Let's see. Let's do this tree. So that'll pop up the tree in the background. You see it? And I'm looking at it at three-dimensional. It's turning. So the tree is going to stay there. The tree is in the background. And I can really change the colors. I can do anything I want. If I come over here to appearance for this page, it'll let me change the color of the appearance. I think I might want to do some blue, right? Blue might be nice in there. Okay. The sky color is blue. Okay, the sky color is blue already. But if I want to change it to green, let's say, I can change it to green. But I'm going to keep it at blue because I like a blue sky. All right, and the page color, if I want color here, let's see. Let's give it some color. How about if we just did a very pale yellow? All right, that's okay. It's more of the green family. That's what we'll use. And the ground color, that's, you know what? Let's do a yellow there. Oh, yeah. So we have the yellow for the ground color because I changed it here. The horizon color, ooh, we can even make that stick out a little more. How about an orange? Okay, there we go, and our tree in the background. All right, so that's how we're going to set up our pages on these books. And what happens is, if I want to put the narration, I just click on that box. Let me go back to that. I'm going to X out of this because I want to show you what I did. Here's the narration. I just click on here and it wants to know what's happening on this page. So I'm going to tell them, I'm going to start my book off once upon a time. In the pond of, what should I call my pond? In the pond of ZooBurst. There. was a family called the Quacker Jacks. Okay, so that's how I'm going to put my narration in. I'm going to save it. You know, I can change it. I can make it bold. I can make it not bold if I want. I can add hyperlinks if I want here. Okay, so I'm going to save this. That's good. Okay, so my first page is Once Upon a Time in the Pond of Zooburst, there was a family called the Quackerjacks. Okay, so that's page 1. Now I want to do another page. I want to go into page 2. Let's see. Always save, 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 right? So let's go on to page 2. Put 2 in there. Oh, to create a new page, you come here and you press the plus. And that's a create a new page. And again, it brings over the horizon, as you can see. It brings over the ground color, the page color, and the sky color. So let me add, let's see, how about some water? Could we do a lake? Nope, how about a pond? Looks more like a swimming pool. How about water? So they give you all these choices, and you just click through them till you find something that you like. So maybe instead of water, I will do, I'll go back to the pond again. Alright, we'll use this one. Alright, so that can go in the back. I can drag it and put it wherever I want it to go. You can get very creative with this. Okay, so what's happening on this page? I want to put my ducks on this page again. So ducks. How about duck? We'll just do duck. Alright, so we'll do duck. Up. I don't want that. If I don't want that, I made a mistake. I'm going to X out of it. Yes. I'm just getting rid of the duck. I want on here, I don't want to do the background. I still have background clicked. I want to do book. So I'm adding one duck, and I'll call that Mommy Duck. I'll put Mommy Duck here, and I'll put Daddy Duck. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Isn't this neat? You can spin this. Okay. So, let's see. There we go. You know what? Let's get rid of this lake in the background. Remember, we're going to highlight it, and then we're going to exit out. Yes, I'm going to get rid of this. All right. And so now on the book, I want to do the pond. All right, I'm going to put the pond in here. And I'm going to spin it around. Whoop, not the page, just this. There we go. Okay. Good. So what am I doing here? So it's about Mommy and Daddy Duck. And let's see what I can write about them. So, once upon a time, we had said that there was the Quackerjacks. How about Mommy Duck and Daddy Duck? Started to argue often. Okay, so started to argue often. I'm going to leave that. I like that. And put it there. So this is how you create your pages. Then if I want to add another page, I just go on and on. All right, let's go back to page 2. More options here, which are pretty neat, is So one other thing I want to show you is to make up the horizon, the sky color, the ground color, and the page color. You don't have to keep doing it for each page. So once it's all set up, you know, the horizon and whatnot, I can duplicate the page. So now I just did page number 5 has the same page, has the same layout, you know, and I probably want to do it before I added, you know, the ducklings here and whatnot. And also too, what I can do, which I didn't show you before, which is pretty interesting, is if I click on this page, the sound comes up and I can record sound to go along with each page, page by page. Okay, and that's it. Okay, good luck with the book. Once it's published, once you're all finished, you can just save it here, and it saves, and you can come back and tell everybody about it. All right, good luck creating your book.